Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to watch Beanie performs Shaggy D live on Wish USA bus. So super late na nitong reaction ko kasi dapat originally dapat kanina akong lunch mag-react, mag-video, kaya lang biglaan lumuwas ako, kaya ngayon lang ako nakauwi, kaya ngayon ko lang din siya mag-video and mapapanood. And ano pa ba, for me lang, sobrang late na nitong Shaggy D live sa Wish Bus na in-upload. Kasi diba, ilang months na, I think, June, July, ay hindi, July. Diba, parang ilang months na, tapos nasa first love era na tayo ngayon. So, super late na nitong Shaggy D. Eto na, I'm super excited na mapanood tong Shaggy D live sa Wish Bus. Kaya hindi ko na ito patatagalin. Let's start.
Sobrang angas.
Oh my gosh, sobrang raw. Yung tawa ni Aya.
Sobrang angas.
1075.
Oh!
Let's burn. You guys know Shaggy Shapo?
Ang hot ng voice talaga ni Mika Lim. Like, alam mo yon, yung husky voice niya. Si Colette, ang cute. Basta ako. Oh my gosh. Maloy, yung tingin kay Colette. Kaka-start pa lang, sorry guys, nag-pause na agad ako. Okay. Mikaya tapos Jolette. Okay.
Shaggy Shapo? Ano yun? What's that?
You might be slick, but
Oh my gosh, yung visuals.
you might be 432, but I'm 123.
Oh my god.
Take that body, they touch your feet. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, yung boses ni Gwen. Yung ano, low register nila ni Mika, ni Stako, tsaka ni She.
Oh my gosh.
Like
Oh!
Shaggy Shapo, Shaggy Shapo, Shaggy Shapo.
Yung whisper talaga. Oh my gosh, Colette.
Shaggy Shapo.
Mika? I'm so sorry guys. Oh my gosh, I cannot. Look at Mika. Kalata-ganda mo! Oh gosh, Jolette! Cute na Jamaica. Let's go, She! Let's go! Oh my God! Yung Jamaica doon, tapos yung rap ni Joe, yung rap ni Colette. I cannot. Shaggy D the best. Yung swag, yung angas ng boses. Oh my gosh, Gwen! Yung nose crunch ni Aya. Yes, Colette! Kalaya! Pero yung voice ni Gwen. I'm so sorry guys. Nakakainis na yung pagpupos ko, pero let's go, Stako! Bakit may pagkindat, Maloy? And si Colette, ang cute, ginaya si Maloy. Makakulit ka ba? Look at Maloy. May pagkindat. Cutie. The low register.
Take that body, go put in work. Oh my gosh. Who goes down first? Shaggy Shapo, Shaggy Shapo, Shaggy Shapo.
Grabe. Ang cute ni Mix. Joe at si Gwen. Let's go, Maloy. Sabi ko, ano yun? Guys, lately ang amats ko ay Jamaica. Oh my God, I cannot. Ano nangyayari? Bakit layag na layag sila ngayon? Look at them. January pa si Mix. January pa. Sista ako. My favorite part.
Clap and jump. I bet you can't keep up. Nah, I bet you can't keep
Ang cute nila doon. Look at Aya.
I bet you can't keep up. Nah, I bet you can't keep up.
I rock, she rock and snap, she rock and snap.
Hey, that's
I
what.
bet you won't beat me.
Nah, I bet you won't be me. Watch me. Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo. Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo. Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo. Do my, now
Let's
do my
go.
dance. Do my, now do my dance. Do my, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my
This
dance.
look of Colette
Your dance.
and Joe. Actually, lahat naman sila.
Now do your dance. I bet you can't do your dance.
Yung voice ni Gwen, halatang may sakit siya. Na, alam ko parang may sakit si Gwen ng time na shoot nila to. Kaya yung voice mo parang alam mo, may sipon.
USA.
Eh!
Wish Music
Eh!
175.
Eh! Yung kahit nakaupo, grabe pa din yung synchronization nila. Like, what? And kitang-kita mo dito sa performance nila dito ng Shaggy D, sobrang enjoy silang kantahin tong Shaggy D. Kasi 'di ba, parang kahit naman tayo nakikinig lang, pero enjoy na enjoy din tayong pakinggan. Alam mo, mapapaganon ka, 'di ba? Guys, I'm so sorry, last one. I need to watch it again kasi sobrang enjoy niya panoodin.
Sobrang
Kasi live vocals,
1075.
always serving live vocals. Yeah, I love the ad-libs,
shaggity shop. Ano yun?
What's that? You might
ang tawag doon, basta.
take it to me. You might
Let's go! Oh my God, ang ganda!
but I'm 1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, try not to pause challenge.
Touch your feet. Oh my gosh.
Music to my ears.
Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo. 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 Do my, now do my
Let's go!
dance. Do my, now do my dance. Do my, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance.
Do your, now do your dance. Do your,
Her voice.
dance. Do your, now do your dance.
And sobrang love ko yung makeup nila dito. Lahat sila. Parang light lang, ganon. Let's go! Cute ni Jo at ni Gwen.
Watch me snap now, watch me change.
Let's go!
Can't do it like I did. Pop a rock, now drop a
Nagpapasan na ako, pero sobrang love ko yung hina-hype nista ako si Gwen.
My gosh. Who goes down first? Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo. Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo. Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo.
Oh my God!
Shaggity, shapopo. Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo. Shaggity, shaggity, shapopo. Do my, now do my dance. Do my, now do my dance. Do my, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance. Do ya, no, do your dance. Do ya, no, do your
Eh! Yung Jovi ka talaga doon.
your dance. Stomp, she stomp and clap,
Oh
she
my
stomp
God,
and clap and
Stako.
jump. I bet you can't keep up. Nah, I bet you can't keep up.
I rock, she rock and snap, she rock and snap.
Yung kahit mga ganong
Beat me.
lyrics or parts, grabe yung harmonies.
Shapopo, shaggity, shaggity, shapopo, shaggity, shaggity, shapopo.
Eh, ito si Aya.
Now do my dance, do my, now do my dance, do my, now do my dance. I bet you can't do my dance. Do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance, do your, now do your dance. I bet you can't do your dance.
Yung laugh. Ang cute ng laugh.
Wish Music
Eh!
Wish
Eh!
1075.
Eh! Eh! Damn!
Shirts, we are Beanie. For more Wish exclusive videos, click here to subscribe.
Gusto ko yung outro.
Wish Music
Eh!
on Wish
Yes, Colette!
5.
Not Colette.
Hi Wishers, we are Beanie. For more Wish exclusive videos, click
Kahit yung dito, nagpo-promote lang sila. Sobrang perfect ng voice.
exclusive videos, click here to subscribe.
It's crazy. So, ayan, finally, di ba, na-release na or na-upload na tong Shaggy D Live sa Wish USA Bus. And kitang-kita ko dito sa performance nila dito na sobrang in-enjoy lang nila. And alam mo yun, napapag-groove. Kasi kahit naman tayo nakikinig lang, di ba, napapaganon. Tapos yung energy nila, yung visuals, yung live vocals. ewan ko ba, parang may something talaga sa kanila na kapag pinapanood ng live or like kahit ganito na nakaupo lang, grabe yung effect or grabe yung presence nila. Like, gets nyo ba? Sana gets nyo yung sinasabi ko. Pero, ayun, grabe. Iba yung chemistry talaga nilang 8 kapag ka nagsama-sama. Hindi ko naman sinabing wala silang chemistry pag individual. Pero, alam mo yon, like, diba, iba yung tono ng boses nila. Parang lagi naman nating sinasabi yon or napapansin na iba-iba yung tono ng boses nila. Pero kapag ka nagsama talaga silang 8, wala. Sobrang perfect ng voice. Sobra yung harmonies, diba? Sobrang grabe yung mga adlibs. Like, mapapawaw ka na lang talaga. Ang cute ni Maloy. Nasa screen ko, ang cute ni Maloy. Wala, sobrang in-enjoy ko lang din tong live performance nila ng Shaggy D dito sa Wish USA Bus. And kitang-kita naman natin na nag-enjoy din sila dito sa performance nila na to. Again, guys, if ever na may i-release silang content or yung ang tag dito, yung Beaniverse World Tour Stories Episode 4, hindi ko siya ma-video sa Sunday kasi ayun nga, nasa Beaniverse Iloilo ako ng Sunday, so baka Monday ko na siya ma-upload and ma-video. So ayun lang, heads up lang kasi Saturday night or madaling araw ng Sunday yung flight ko, kaya ayan, ayan lang, heads up lang kasi baka mag-abang kayo ng reaction ko if ever may upload sila ng Sabado or yung sa episode 4 nga. So, yun lang. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!